In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the Serpentine belt tensioner on this Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi engine. This will be located right on the front of your engine. Let's get started. From the front of the engine, you'll see that the belt is right here, and so we can remove the belt, we have to pull on the tensioner, which is a little bit further down. It's a little bit difficult to show, but if you stick a 3/8 drive ratchet or serpentine belt tool right down here, you should be able to get the tool right into the cutout at the bottom. That allows you to pull on the tensioner and release tension. Now you want to pull clockwise on it and then take the belt off of the nearest pulley that you can reach. And for me, that's going to be the alternator. So slip the belt off. All right, let go of your tool. Remove your tool. Now we can finish removing the belt off of all the pulleys. The trick to getting it past the fan is to feed it through the fan blade and spin it, and grabbing it from the other side. And there it is. Now let's unbolt our serpentine belt tensioner. There's a 16mm headed bolt right in the middle of it. Remove it. Move the fan so you can have space to remove the bolt. And with that out, you should be able to get the tensioner off. However, sometimes it does get stuck a little bit, but if you just pull on it, there it is. On the tensioner, you'll notice this pin right here. This has to line up with a groove that's cut out on the engine block for it. Otherwise, it will not seat properly. So when you put it on, just pay attention. Try your best to get the tensioner started with the bolt. Once you start it in a few threads, you can then turn it and line up that pin so that you can finish threading this bolt in with the tensioner lined up. Put your tool back on it and snug it up. Torque this bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Now you want to take your belt and slide it through the fan blades and around the fan so it can go around the water pump. Just like that. And on the screen, here's the belt routing diagram so that you can make sure it's routed on the correct pulleys in the correct direction. Okay, I have it seated on almost all of my pulleys except for the idler. It's the smooth pulley, so it's the easiest one to get it to hook onto at the very end. So I'm going to put my tool into the tensioner, remove tension, and slip the belt over the pulley. All right, I'm going to get my tool out of here. Double check all of the pulleys to make sure the belt is sitting in all the ribs and it's centered on all the flat pulleys. This all looks great to me, so belt is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.